So again, for those who have a small space and also want to put it in a whether it's a desk or a just filing cabinets, here is the laptop stand, and as you can see below, there's the wheels, easy to move around, really easy to move around, real easy to assemble. Got it off of Amazon. Let me run in the front of the camera and I'll just cut it off. You won't see my face, you'll just see, because I'm trying to demonstrate how easy it is to adjust the whole thing. Yeah, and so again, the whole thing is easy to wipe. Here we go, real easy to wipe all the glossy hair. Here's the keyboard. I mean, yeah, I did cordless, and that way allows me to move it up and down, you know, in the whether it's in the garage, whether it's your living room, whether it's a bedroom, wherever you have it that you're trying to fit, you know, create your own little office, home office space. You can just take these off. I'll take these off, and I put this on again specifically just to protect the surface here, because the surface is not the glossy one here, it's more like a full mica, so water would probably damage that. So I put on a nice a piece of paper to protect that. But here we go, here's the clip, guys. If you want to go up, it just goes up easily. If you want to go down, and again, I'm just gonna probably not see my face, which is okay. I want you to see that I'm demonstrating how to use it. So again, turns around completely 360. Great for small spaces. If you want a home office, if you want it in your living room, in your bedroom, wherever you want. All right, so again, the whole thing is you hit the lever to go press down, and voila. You want to release it, goes up slowly, or yeah, so perfect. Amazon, $88. And again, there's wheels. If you want to take off the wheels and keep it stationary, you can, but I don't want to do that. I like it to be able to move around however I want, and pack it up in the evening in the corner. Voila. And here is, like I said, I usually do a wireless keyboard just to allow me to move up and down however. All right, so you didn't see my face, but I'm sure you saw me demonstrate how nice and easy this little Amazon find is at. If you're on Instagram, DM me for the link. If you're on YouTube, I'll put the link below. It's my affiliate link. If you patronize my link, it puts me to be able in position to create more stuff that help families and little small business owners. Take care. Bye.